Saving money feels responsible. It feels safe. It feels like progress. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Saving alone will never make you wealthy. In fact, for many people, saving becomes the reason they stay stuck. In this video, we'll break down why saving is necessary, but not enough, and what actually builds wealth. Why saving feels right. We're taught to save from a young age. Spend less, keep money aside, avoid risk, and saving is important. It protects you from emergencies. It gives you breathing room, but protection is not growth. And wealth is about growth. The limit of saving. There is a hard limit to saving. You can only save what you earn. And for most people, income grows slowly, if it grows at all. Inflation quietly eats saved money. Time works against cash sitting still. So even disciplined savers often feel like they're running in place. Why wealth requires income growth. Wealth is not built by hiding money. It's built by increasing earning power. That comes from skills, ownership, systems. Saving keeps money safe. Income growth makes money useful. Without income growth, saving becomes a slow struggle. Saving without investing is stagnation. When money only sits in savings, it slowly loses value. Not dramatically, quietly. Wealthy people don't just save. They deploy money into assets, things that grow, earn, or multiply. Saving is a foundation. Investing is the structure. The real role of saving. Saving has a purpose. It creates stability. It reduces fear. It gives you options. But its job is to support wealth building, not replace it. Saving prepares you. It doesn't transform you. What actually builds wealth? Wealth comes from alignment. Saving, earning, investing. Skills that increase income. Assets that compound. Discipline that sustains it all. This is slower, less exciting, but it works. Finally, saving alone won't make you wealthy, but not saving at all will keep you unstable. Wealth is built when saving supports growth, not when it replaces it. If this helped you think more clearly about money, subscribe to eWealth Project. We focus on slow wealth, built the right way. We welcome you in our next video.